Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another brand new drawing video and the first ever commission for John. Today I will draw Yami Yugi from Yu-Gi-Oh! John wished for a full body drawing and with Yami using his dual disc. I never drew something Yu-Gi-Oh! Related seriously before, but as a kid I was a huge fan of this show. The cards are still so amazing, I loved the anime, and as a kid I also got a dual disc, which was crazy back then. We were playing so many duels as kids, it was just fun. I'm using this picture as a reference and I will draw it exactly the same, I will just try to draw it even better. So this is a short video, make sure to watch it all, give it a like, and I see you at the end with the final result.
Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you.
So guys, last touch, and then this commission number 1 for John is done, and I think it turned out great. Yami Yugi has a real complex design, especially full body and with the dual disc. But it was really fun to draw this, it's something completely new, and I think for the first time it looks amazing. I am really happy with the results, and now you guys, let me know your opinion on this down below in the comments. So guys, if you are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram or email, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. Subscribe to my real-time channel for full-time drawing videos. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I see you on the next